When you file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, the trustee can take your assets and sell those assets to pay off some or all of your debts. However, there are laws called exemptions which allow you to avoid turning over certain assets and property to the trustee. The exemption laws specifically state what property you're allowed to keep in a bankruptcy. Some of the exemptions include household goods, automobiles, certain retirement plans, clothing, equity in a home, the family Bible, the family pet, and wedding rings, to name just a few. But this does not mean that you can simply leave these assets off your schedules. All assets must be disclosed to the bankruptcy court. A debtor is required to accurately disclose all of his or her property, including household goods, clothing, firearms, jewelry, automobiles, stocks, bonds, interests in businesses, collections, and collectibles. Further, the debtor must disclose all assets he reasonably believes he may receive in the future, such as an inheritance or tax refund. For example, if you bought a lottery ticket this morning and the drawing has not yet happened, you don't need to list lottery winnings on your bankruptcy schedules. But if your great uncle died this morning and he told you yesterday that you're in the will, you should bring this to the attention of your attorney. Bankruptcy law requires that you list all of your property in your bankruptcy schedules. Failure to list an asset or potential asset may result in the loss of that asset, or in some cases, even criminal prosecution for fraud or perjury. In some cases, where an asset has not been disclosed, the court may deny you a discharge or even prohibit you from filing bankruptcy for a period of time. When you sign your bankruptcy schedules under oath and under the penalty of perjury, it is important that you review them to ensure that all assets and potential assets have been properly disclosed. Assets that would normally be eligible for exemption and protection may become unprotected simply because you did not list them on your schedules. It is important to understand that exemptions only protect your assets from being taken by the trustee for liquidation. Exemptions do not protect your property from repossession or foreclosure when the creditor has a validly recorded lien. For example, if an exemption allows you to keep your vehicle and you have a loan on it, you would still have to make the loan payments in order to keep the vehicle. The attorneys at John W. Lee PC can help you choose the right exemptions and protect your property when filing a bankruptcy.